You can't hear no on this one. Cause this one is soft.
That's the test. That's the real test right there. That'll. You ready to get this thing started? Yeah. Alright. Why we always get into the camera like that?
Okay.
We missed y'all. We ain't been gone that long, but we've been trying to get stuff prioritized for you guys.
For real.
You know, get stuff situated on our end.
This almost 600.
Almost 600.
What?
So that's
a video.
It took us a minute, you know, to get 600.
Like, for real.
But it actually shows you, you know, like if you a YouTuber, you know, you don't have no fan base or you start from scratch, it actually show you that it takes time, you feel me?
You gotta have patience.
And we actually, when we first started, we've been, you know, we was down and out for a little bit.
For real.
So we can't say that was on us. We can say that was on us.
Well,
but y'all can see this food. We got so much right here. This Mukbang is special for y'all. You feel me? We got the what? The churches. We got the
Popeyes, KFC. Like,
and I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like we said, we do less talking, and more eating. So I'm ready to eat. So I'm a smash. So when we reach under 600 subscribers or over, we're gonna do a special, a giveaway, a gift card. Yeah. So as soon as we do that, we're gonna go ahead and do a video.
Be 2 special winners.
So we're gonna pick them, you know, after the end of the video.
Yes.
So, you know, we're gonna actually, you gotta do 2 win them gift cards.
Yes.
It ain't difficult. It's only 2 things, you know.
It's only 2.
So what is it? Basically, it's like
and put us on gift card.
It's what you gotta
get you
comment on the video, you know, and then you gotta share
screenshot it to us.
When you share us on your, so you know, whatever your YouTube or your Instagram,
or your Facebook or
Snapchat, any you don't care,
or screenshot it and send it to us.
Yeah, that's the proof that basically you guys did it and we know. So
and it'll be 2 winners, but you know it's gonna get better as time goes.
Yeah.
You know it's always gonna be something every, you know, more subscribers that we get. So we got you guys. Just keep on supporting us and keep following us. But we about to smash.
Because we love the support. And while we eating, we actually did this because we're going to tell y'all who got the best chicken.
Yes. For real. Who y'all think got the best chicken? Comment down below. Can you take your piece?
Who's this? KFC? Okay, y'all. First of all, let me show y'all the actual chicken. This is KFC's chicken.
Yeah.
This is KFC.
It looks like they need to change their grease.
KFC. This is Church's chicken.
Church's look good.
Church's chicken. Look at that.
Church's chicken. Crispy.
Church's
crispy.
Big piece.
All the time.
And then this.
That's
this is Popeyes right here. This is Popeyes
chicken. Always crispy.
And then this is Church's.
And Church's
of course, you know Church's crispy. So Popeyes and Church's got some crispy.
With they bomb biscuits.
Oh yeah. Babe loves Church's biscuits. Honest, look at that biscuit falling apart. Look at that.
So soft. You don't need nothing for them.
You don't know they glaze it. Look at the glaze on that. So you don't need no you don't need no honey. Oh, don't ask for no honey when you go in there either. You sure? That's why I'm going wrong.
I'll go this one.
Napkin?
Where's the napkin? Oh my gosh.
You did 360?
Yeah.
It's okay, I love it. We couldn't decide what we wanted to drink, y'all, so we actually got a couple different selections. Now,
and then our favorite juice.
Oh yeah, I know y'all know about these.
We need to be sponsored for these. Watch.
I'm telling y'all, because y'all gonna
drinking
see
these all the time.
Like if y'all be in the hood, y'all know about these drinks. They everywhere. It's like flavor war.
Babe, Brody.
This
Brody
is the peach right here.
On these.
Oh yeah, me and Babe both got peach. Actually, now that I know this, 5. The strawberry.
Yes, I know that strawberry.
Yeah, y'all.
Dang, y'all. I wish I could give y'all some. Cause I'm gonna have so much, and I know I'm gonna get full.
I'm hungry for them. Hey, y'all, these are some jalapeno poppers from Church's.
My red beans and rice from Popeyes.
And babe, red beans and rice from Popeyes. Yeah.
Did they forget?
Or forget what?
Some taste missing. Maybe the beans. No, I don't want this.
A big piece, huh? Did you already taste KFC chicken?
It looked too burnt.
Babe said it looked too burnt.
The grease looked like it. You gotta try it too.
Okay. It's Church's.
Yeah, Popeye's chicken good.
Church is cool. This one a little dry, but
It's funny because I could swear a lot of people said that Popeye's chicken be dry, and this chicken is what?
baked chicken look juicy.
This chicken juicy is it?
Y'all look at this chicken. I mean, okay, now this part, that part got a little, like it's a little juice in it. But this part dry. Look dry that is.
Yeah.
It's dry.
Church's is dry compared to Popeye's.
Wait, let me get some of this soup over here. Get some of this chicken over here.
Popeye's is juicy.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Popeye's got some juicy chicken.
Yes. And they skin.
You hear that? That's
Juicy.
juicy chicken. Now this
That grease was just changed. Nah, Church's is good. It got a little juice to it, a little juice. But Popeye's got on beat right now.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's crazy because Popeye's is the only chicken I want to eat right now.
I ain't gonna lie. Popeye's is. Cause let me go ahead and throw
I get Church's. I mean KFC. I'm dropping the chicken. It's good.
The meat is good. But I don't care for their skin though. That meat is juicy.
Let me get some.
Look at that.
Give me some.
KFC meat is juicy. Look at it. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat that one all. So, KFC and Popeyes.
I don't know. KFC?
Cause KFC, yeah, that mine. Now I'm over there like, I don't know, man. It's kind of beating Popeyes now. I done tried that. I'm over here like this, eating Popeyes like.
Well, Popeyes is really good.
Yeah, Popeyes is good. But that little brown burnt piece of chicken is actually decent. The meat is good. Now I like Popeye's skin and stuff.
Yeah, that skin is fried, crispy. They don't ask that, do they? They just ask mild or spicy, nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ugh.
Their skin.
That skin is nasty.
Yeah, it's a mac. Yeah, this is some macaroni from Church's. Look at that. Macaroni from Church's. Actually, look kind of cheesy.
Baked macaroni.
Yeah, baked macaroni. Baby don't like baked macaroni. I think it's fire.
Let me get mine.
Look at that. Cheese melting and stuff. Melty cheese.
Oh, I guess that's good. This KFC though.
This biscuit, huh?
From Church's. That's why I had to get through.
Oh yeah. What's these?
Mashed potatoes. You want the mashed potatoes from KFC? Those from Popeyes.
Yeah, these are mashed potatoes from Popeyes, but I mean, get KFC mashed potatoes. Haters.
Which one you get?
This is KFC.
Oh yeah, KFC is fine.
They're thick. Thick too.
Yeah, when they cook them.
Yeah, they're thick.
We be smashing. Yeah, I haven't put this KFC chicken down since babe took a bite.
I ain't gonna lie, cause it's juicy. That's the only juicy chicken we got. Besides Popeyes, it's juicy. Now,
but then they got juice on it compared to...
Yeah, cause you can actually see. I mean... Yeah.
KFC really got some juice.
Got the juice, baby. They got the juice today, baby.
One of them napkins, baby.
They got the juice today.
Thank you.
You welcome, baby. You want some of them mashed potatoes or something?
Is that good?
Yeah, they good. Them jalapeno poppers. Hey, y'all, and this right here, this is some of that peach. This is that peach lemonade. Good thing I got it just in time because the machine ran out.
Yeah, it did.
I spilled some on my shirt, y'all.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I spilled some on.
I felt some fire. You did?
It did. Hey, y'all, this peach is fire. I'm about to dang and drown that.
Where's JJ?
Right there. Come on. Come here.
That macaroni bomb, baby.
Yeah, it's fire. Macaroni fire. Is some more KFC chicken in there?
Yeah, it's that piece.
Yeah.
I ate the big one.
So what you think about Taste Popeyes? You know, taters.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let you finish smashing your stuff and we'll taste it. Decent.
It's just like it got like, something they make in that gravy.
I know. I don't know what it is, but
Is it like bacon? Like meat?
or something. Yeah. Think so. Like some type of meat.
It's different.
What's that? Oh, that's that biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm over here getting full. Hey, y'all,
That's a cute chicken.
this is KFC leg.
It's fat.
This is fat.
It's a fat thing.
Fat. What you doing? I said take a bite of it.
Take the skin off.
You don't want the skin? Excuse me. You don't want the skin? Fire. I mean, I like that skin sometimes on that little chicken because look, if you flip it over, it ain't got the
little fatty butt.
Yeah. Fatty stuff, extra. You can see it too. See, it ain't got that. But some of it do. And it's alright.
Yeah. They're not giving me a bite.
You see me over here still like. You don't want none of that chicken? That's what I'm saying. So I got to let it sit. You need some moisture in there.
Yeah, I ain't lying. Popeyes is dry. It's dry after you eat KFC chicken.
I ain't done nothing compared to the KFC, and they had the darkest chicken too, y'all.
I love that chicken.
They had the darkest chicken, but the chicken was actually juicy.
But KFC chicken is really good. I'm not bad. Ooh.
It's full.
It's hot.
You said what hot? You said you hot?
It's hot.
Oh, jalapenos. I Oh yeah.
Oh, these jalapeno bites from Churches. They're hot.
And they fire too.
They're good though. Mm. You said not you. Thank you, baby. Thank you, boo.
I love you, baby. I'm getting full. I think I done said that a couple times. I'm getting full. Still eating though. On fire. And if y'all eat something like this, make sure y'all bring an extra person to help y'all out. Cause man, I ain't gonna lie.
Baby full.
I'm gonna be getting full.
Baby, you always get full.
I know. I have a little stomach though.
She don't eat like me.
Baby smashing. The red beans and that rice not.
I'm not feeling on them. I'm not feeling for them today.
And that's crazy because normally baby smashing the red beans and rice.
It tastes right. Some taste missing.
They forgot something, y'all.
My beans in there.
Yeah, that's what you missing, your beans. Y'all know when y'all get full, right?
Ooh, this juice is so good.
Yeah,
If y'all haven't tried it, go to BP, your local one, the one closest to you. I'm not playing.
Or your hood gas stations.
Get one of these. I'm telling you, any flavor. It don't even matter what flavor you get. Bomb.
Cause like Rick's and stuff like that, no, they don't have them. So don't think you gonna go to Rick's and get one of them drinks.
They fire.
I don't think Speedway got them either. Speedway don't got them either. So y'all need to go to a place.
If you have not tried them, I'm telling you. And when you try them, comment down below what you think. I'm telling you, they addicting. Me and Babe gotta go to the store every day and get some. They're $1 each.
Almost every day. Pretty much.
You full, babe? I'm full too.
You full?
Okay, you alright.
That's crazy because you know how it's JJ over here like, it's okay, just feed me some.
Y'all want some?
Just feed me some.
My baby full.
Too full. I got that.
I need help because I can't eat it all. I probably can.
Yes.
Baby. But, alright, y'all.
We definitely did make a big mess though.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you liked about this video. It was funny because I like all these chickens when we eat them separate, but now that we just ate them all together, KFC, I gotta give it to you. Yeah. I got to give it to you. I gotta give it to this man.
You know what?
Rest his soul, but I gotta give it to him because his chicken is bomb.
All I know is I would have never expect. I literally knock KFC sometimes because of that chicken.
But that chicken is topping everybody
at one
chicken.
time. Yeah, KFC is the, like it says, the finger looking good. And this, man, look at this biscuit.
What type of biscuit is that?
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even take a chance to even try.
But KFC too, though. Y'all need to come up or something, cause what the fuck? I know y'all started with some donuts or whatever, but who the heck? I don't know. Let me not say that. But who wants some donuts with?
Look, okay, hold on, wait. It's crazy, cause look at put that bit. Oh yeah, there we go.
Let's put one of these. Y'all see this?
Look at
this one right here is the best one you'll ever have, and this is
the
from
middle one.
Popeyes.
Popeyes.
No, Churches. Sorry, y'all. This is from Churches.
Look, don't do Churches like
that. That's from Popeyes.
Churches.
And this is from KFC.
Popeyes.
This is Churches. Churches, your biscuits is great.
Ooh, babe, do this. Do the chop. Do the.
That's salt.
Y'all
hear that? You can't hear that one, this one. Cause this one is soft.
That's the test. That's the real test right there.
Zacky's first deviled egg. Is it good, Zacky?
That'll let you know what's soft. Bang it on
I had to
something.
give me an extra bear.
Yeah, you don't want to eat that. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh my goodness.
But y'all, we actually enjoyed this. So don't forget, once we reach 600 subs, we're gonna drop a video, do something for y'all.
I'll let y'all know what the gift
And
cards
y'all can
are.
go, in that video, we're gonna let y'all know what the gift cards is. So don't forget, y'all. We enjoyed this. And I got fat and full, and babe's still eating. I can't.
And I'm eating good.
I'm about to go ahead and, chillax and relax. Oh yeah, and another thing. I don't know if we said this at the beginning or not, but this is only going to be a Mukbang channel. Food
Only a
only.
food channel.
Like anything that has to do with challenges with food, anything like that. Food period. You feel what I'm saying? Us making food, anything.
And we'll let y'all know. We'll get y'all up on the...
We'll tell y'all about the new channel, what's going on down in the next video. So be waiting on that next video, y'all. We out.
Baby, this is so good. I love you, baby. I love you. Give me some kisses.